Yo, what's up everybody? It's King Camry, man. Welcome back to another amazing video, you guys. Yo, man, I just want to say thank you so much to all of you that are always watching my stuff, always commenting, always liking, man. You guys, honestly, I wouldn't be in this position if it weren't for you guys. You know, you guys keep killing it. I just want to say thank you for that. So, because you guys always do that, today I'm going to be giving you guys some love in return, and it wouldn't have been possible without this brand Rimgard that approached me, and we are now collaborating on to doing this video that, you know, most of the time the videos you guys see on my channel, it's always just stuff that, you know, wings, spoiler, lips. But today we actually got something that is very serious and anybody can do and should do, especially if you love and want to protect your wheels. So I'm gonna be real with you guys. When I saw these locks, I was impressed by the quality that they do come in. I was like, man, these locks do look like they're actually worth the amount of money they cost. But I do have some questions that I'm gonna try to answer right now that I even asked myself, because I'm over here, I'm thinking like of you, I'm thinking like you guys. I'm imagining already the questions that you guys will have, and I'm gonna try to go over them. Hopefully I answer everybody's. But the first thing that comes to my mind was, will these fit aftermarket? According to Rimgard, what they've told me, what they have on their website, they only fit OEM Toyota Camry wheels. They do not fit aftermarket, sadly. Another question is that if they are offered in colors, from right now, they only have gloss black available for Toyota Camry. I did check other builds, other trims as well, and they do offer gloss black and like a silver. But maybe in the future, maybe they might, you know, add something for the Toyota Camry color. You know, if you can have a couple options, that'll be awesome. But for right now, only gloss black. And something that I get a lot, asked a lot, will this fit your Camry SE, Camry LE, Camry Xse hybrid, Camry hybrid, blah, blah, blah. Yes, they will. If you go to their website at rimgard.com, they will show you the Camry and they will show you the years that where they do fit on your any type of trim that you do have for your Camry, you guys. So check out their website. As a matter of fact, they do not only have locks for your Camry, but as well for other builds, other brands, other trims. If you guys want to do pick up some of these amazing locks that honestly, you guys, I really do consider these way better than OEM. And today I'm gonna walk you guys through this video and show you guys what you can get from these locks comparing to what the dealer gives you. As for the price range, yes, man, these things are very pricey. But if I'm real, it's honestly a very good investment. I've seen people that have locks from the dealer and they are honestly just useless. And I can bet on anyone that I know that some of you guys have this little fella right here somewhere in your car. It could be in the middle console. It could be hidden in the trunk. It could be hidden in the glove box. You guys, this is already outdated. The thieves can get in your car so easily by breaking your window, and they already know where you have your locks at. So that's why I'm going to be showing you guys why Rimgard is so ahead of the game. Like, man, like, you guys, this is so obvious. Like, this needs to change. And I know that maybe some of you guys say that I'm kissing up to Rimgard, but that's why the set of locks that they have gave me to show you guys today, I'm going to be giving out this set to one of you guys, and I'm gonna be sneaky. I'm gonna be putting the giveaway details somewhere in the video. So whoever wants to pick these things up, man, these things are expensive. Make sure you guys watch the whole thing, because I'm gonna be pulling a little sneaky move and throwing in the detail of the giveaway. So make sure you guys get involved. Do not miss the opportunity. And man, like, this has got to go. Like, this is dinosaur age. And I'm going to be showing you guys why Rimgard is so ahead of the game, you guys. They honestly have put so much research, so much dedication, and the quality, guys, I'm going to show you guys right now in this unboxing.
Mitt namn är Anders Adali. Jag är före detta grovt kriminell, specialiserad mig på värdetransportrån. Jag har rånat för över 80 miljoner kronor. Jag skulle ta mig 5 till 10 minuter och ta däckare och fälg på en bil. Och sen står ni på ett par pallar så är jag borta. Den har en låsbult, men den fixar jag ganska snabbt. Har en sån här alltid i fickan. Det är 4 bultar kvar efter det här. Så kanske 1 minut för mig att få bort alla. Så snabbt gick det. Bakom. Jag vet att det är låset. Problemet på en gång där blir att, som ni ser, paja fälgen. Ska jag börja bryta? Det händer ju ingenting för fan. Alltså, ingenting händer. Och det är fälgen jag vill ha med mig, för den är ju värd pengar. Nej. Ska jag stå och hålla på här? Vadå, en kvart på en bult? Det är 15, 30, 45, 1 timme och 15 minuter. Ska jag stå 1 timme och hålla på här liksom? Och vem skulle inte höra mig och veta vad jag gör? Det här var ingen kul. Jag tappar lusten. Jag vill inte ens se det här. Alltså, att få bort Rimgard utan att skada fälgen, enligt min professionella åsikt här, inte en chans. Du måste, alltså fälgen kommer skadas på det ena sättet eller det andra. För den där täcker allting alltså. Nej, det går inte att få bort det, är bara skita i alltså.
Okay, you guys, so this is the box that you're gonna be getting these locks in. It is heavy, you guys. But overall, I just love the presentation of this box. And boom, keep your wheels, you guys. Sheesh. And it just tells you a little information of, you know, what they do have and what they stand by on their locks. Stronger, smarter, safer. And man, let's see what they got going on inside the box. You guys, Rimgard, they give you the pamphlet, show you the instructions. They will not leave you hanging on how to get this. If you guys need help installing these, you guys can watch this video or reach out to them. It should be a walk in the park to install these things. And here are the locks. You guys, these things look very, very amazing. Let me go ahead and pull one out real quick. You can see right here, man, these things do feel like they are quality, man. They're stiff, they're strong. They do not feel as heavy as, you know, you would think, but to break these things down, thieves are gonna absolutely hate these things. You guys are gonna give them a very hard time. Let me go ahead and put this off to the side to see what's also underneath here. And more, because obviously they do offer you 4 of these little star-shaped locks, and with the design, with the quality, you know, I am very impressed. Comparing these locks to, you know, to what we use, like honestly guys, our locks that are given to us from our dealers, those things are now outdated. Thieves can break in these things so easily, you guys have no idea. Like, they are old school, out with the old and honestly in with the new. So right here, you guys, is the locks, and this is what's going to prevent the thieves get into your wheels. They will not want to mess with your wheels once they see these locks. We have the keys they sent out. If you ever do lose a pair, you can always reach out and they will take care of you. But overall, you guys, instead of worrying of having to hide this in your car, now you can walk around safely and have one of these on your keychain, or leave one at your house and then have a spare, have a backup. But you guys, like, the quality, man, is there. They give you guys tools to get this done. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out real quick. And it's just, I love the presentation, you guys. Okay, you guys, so we are going to have to be removing the entire wheel, and that's for all 4 wheels on the car. I know it can be a little bit extra work, but guys, honestly, it's definitely worth it. You're protecting your wheels, you're protecting your car. When thieves gonna want to mess with the car, they're not gonna even want to look at it, because you're gonna see that you got some high technology stuff on your car, and they're gonna be like, nope, this guy, let's go on to the next Camry. So as you guys can see here, I'm trying to push out this center cap. It is not working. So there is this little rim piece that's holding on to the center cap. You have to release it because there are some clips on this plastic cap. This rim piece, you guys, is very dangerous. Like right there, you guys see, if I would have been closer, that would have hit my face. So be careful when you guys do remove this. Now, I'm not no pro, so be careful, you guys. And as you guys can see, once I do remove that little metal rim piece, I can finally pop off my center caps. If you guys do not have that rim piece on your center caps, then you're good to go. But as for me, and pretty much everybody, that is how you can release these caps. So now we're going to be grabbing these metal plates that Rimgard sent out to us, and this is what you're going to have to be placing inside there. That's why we needed to remove those center caps, because we're going to be inserting this into an angle, and we want to be lining up this metal plate so it can be covered by this magnet. These pieces are technically like a big sandwich. They stick on, they grab on together, and they will not let go because of the magnet that's on this plate. Now we're going to go ahead and install the wheel and make sure we tighten up everything so we can install the rim guard lock. Alright, you guys, once you have your wheel installed on your car, you have the bolts very tightened, making sure that wheel will not go anywhere. Now it is time to prepare these rim guard locks. As you guys can see here, I'm zeroing out the thread. I'm going to make sure this thread is flattened out from the inside. So once I install this locks, I do not get confused and not assume that because it's pushed in, I'm not able to grab onto the thread that we installed into the rim. I know it can be a little bit confusing, but right now you guys are going to see what I'm going to do, and boom. Right there I made a big mistake because as you guys saw, the plates had this little mark. I went ahead and did not install these locks according to how the plates are also. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So right here, there is this little mark they have on these plates. That is what you have to line up, and make sure you guys do that when you install these locks. So now I'm going to go ahead and install them and line them up, and now you guys can see that it is a nice and tight fit. It fits like a glove. Now I'm going to start threading it and spinning it, making sure that the threads lock into each other and just make this beautiful connection. Now with the hardware that Rimgard sent out to us, you guys, we do not need any extra tools because they give you what we need to install their locks. So we're going to be inserting this piece, and with the Allen wrench, we're going to be spinning this around and around in a clockwise manner, making sure that the threads are grabbing onto each other and you're making this very strong and tight. If you feel that you are not tightening anything, then there could be a chance that you're not paying attention to the marks that the plates have and also the mark that this star looking lock has. So as you guys can see, I'm ready. Everything's good to go. This is not going to go anywhere. So now it is time to finally grab the key locks and insert the mechanism. Alright, you guys, so check this out. As you guys can see, I'm going to try to throw in the mechanism like that, but it is not ready. I did not spin it to the right because it has to be spun to the right in order to release and unlock, and that will allow you to finally lock it onto the wheel. And you guys can see the mechanism is not going anywhere. Now it is time to cover it up with this center wheel cap that was originally on your car, and just like that, as easy as mac and cheese, it is finally on your car. Let's just say you want to change your tires or something happens. It is as simple as this to remove your center cap, and all you need is the keys that they do send out to you guys. Let's just say you want to remove it, spin it to the right, and that is how you do it. Now make sure you guys save the tools that Rimgard sends out to you guys, because you're gonna have to be doing the same process in order to uninstall it. But as well, keep those keys nice and safe wherever you go. And that's about it, you guys. Alright, you guys, if you made it to this part of the video, perhaps, maybe, just maybe, you may be lucky enough to win yourself a set of these Rimgard locks. Make sure you guys get involved, because I am technically giving you guys the set of locks that they gave me to you guys. So please get involved, you guys. Do not miss the opportunity. Make sure you guys do follow these rules that I'm about to tell you guys, so you guys can have a chance of winning these locks, so nobody will ever mess around with your car, man. Mess around with your wheels. Doesn't matter what area. As soon as they see those rim guards, they're gonna run away like chickens, man. So go to my Instagram at King Camry. There will be a post of these rim guards posted up on my Instagram. Comment down below why you would love a set of these rim guard locks. Tag 3 friends on Instagram. You have to be following Rimgard, and you have to share this post on your story and tag me at King Camry and at Rimgard on Instagram. These are the rules for you guys to win yourself a set of these Rimgard locks. So if you don't have an Instagram, make sure you guys open that up right now so you guys can get lucky and perhaps probably win yourself a set of these locks, you guys. But that's it for now. I hope you guys continue to enjoy this video.